Mommy, this is a big box. It's a car. It's a car parked there.
What you have? Wow! Peak power nitro shell station. That's awesome. See now turn back. I want to see the back side. Wow! What is this? Let's zoom in. Oh, these are all parts of in the box.
And look at this. It's for 8 years old.
Yes, for 8 years old.
I'm 6 years old.
What are you?
6.
Okay, never mind.
Never mind. Let's open now.
Okay, open it.
I think it's one.
Open it. Slowly.
These are hot. Ooh.
What you have now? Wow.
Sticker.
Sticker? Yes. And what's that? Maybe there's instruction paper inside.
I can't see.
You cannot see? What's that?
This is the thing.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Slowly and carefully. What inside the bag? Just for oil.
The oil. There's a lot of things.
Another oil box.
Oh.
There's a small parts.
The cone. It's a cone. It's a cone.
One chocolate. Purple.
What's that?
Ah, it's a cone. This one.
Okay.
See more.
Take out all.
A lot of things.
Hurry up.
Okay, I'm hurry.
What we have here?
There's a lot of things, one.
Yeah, a lot of things.
Go.
And there's instruction paper here, actually. You can open this.
Oh, it's
I will
solid.
read for you.
Okay.
Okay. This is sticker. How many sticker?
There's a lot.
How many? 1, 2, 2,
And 3.
3. Yes. And this is the instruction paper. Let's see the instruction paper. Oops! Anything goes away. Oh, there is a number here. This is the instruction paper here. Okay, can you make it more?
Okay.
See the picture first.
It's
Okay, already connected to each other, and then
this hole is colored for this one.
yes. Okay.
There you go.
What's that? Okay, yes, correct. And after that, and then for the oil box.
Oil box.
Okay, looks nice now. And what to do next? It's number 5. Step number 5.
Me?
And number 6.
Me.
Yes.
I think this one for this one. Like
Yeah. Let's
in
do
the
it.
line.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, for number 5. Disassemble here. And make it here. Finish already. Assemble
Sticker.
the Shell P Power Nitro cell station. Finish already. Now, time to make it
Sticker.
nicer.
Sticker.
Yes. Do you know where she must put the sticker is?
And I need to follow the instruction. I don't know. I know. Just put this one here.
Is it? Okay, wherever you like. Yes, the end of our project.
It says go this way. And me,
Yes.
can you find for me cars?
What?
Can you find for me car?
Car?
A small car.
Okay, later. See on the top. See the back side. Back side like this.
Wait.
Nice or not, Uma? Is it nice?
Yes.
Nice.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos. Go which way? Bye.
It's nice. Eh, how about the no parking sign?
Down there, right?
Yes.
I'll show you a picture. There we go. The cord go away. Sorry. Beep 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 shh beep 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 shh beep 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 Alright, code, eh? Good. I have to destroy. I'll destroy it! All the cars are gone. And that's all gone stuff. And this is how they destroy. The code's destroy. The code's here like, and then, hey, what are you doing? Hello, what are you doing? What? It's a cold. Dead. soft.